Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today I'm gonna show you how to make FINDIKPARE. It's a classical Turkish dessert and surprisingly easy to make. For the syrup, combine and boil 600 ml of granulated sugar with 600 ml of water in a medium-sized pan. Add 1 slice of lemon and boil for 5 more minutes. Let the syrup cool. In a whisking bowl, mix 250 grams of softened butter with 2 eggs. You need to set one of the yolks aside. Add in 7 tablespoons of semolina, 7 tablespoons of icing sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar, and continue mixing. Add 1 cup of crushed hazelnuts and approximately 3 cups of flour gradually while mixing. Take pieces from the dough and give them an oval shape. Place the ovals on a parchment-lined oven tray and brush with the egg yolk that you set aside. Then draw lines with the help of a fork. With these ingredients, we had 35 cookies. Bake for 25 minutes in an oven preheated at 170 degrees. Now transfer the cookies to an ovenware and pour the syrup over them. Let the dessert absorb the syrup fully. Decorate as desired and serve. Enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!